From broken appliances, electrical issues, to water leaks, home repairs can be a real pain. They're expensive, time-consuming, and often pop up at the worst possible time. But here's the good news. The Las Vegas Valley Water District wants to help you manage leaks quickly to save you money.
There's absolutely no profit motive from the organization's perspective with these programs. Our aim is to accomplish two things. We want to help our customers save on their bills, and we also want to preserve the water resource.
Have a high water bill resulting from a leak? LVVWD has always maintained an option for customers who experience a leak that results in a higher than normal water bill.
Our leak adjustment program is something that we've had in the organization for many years now, but we've made a recent update. In the past, you would get a one-time, lifetime adjustment of up to 50% of your consumptive use. What we're trying to do now, again, in the aim of helping our customers save on their bills, is provide a one-time per 12-month period adjustment. The age of your property will sometimes dictate the amount of leaks that you have at your property. And so in the past, our customers would have to pick and choose when to throw down that card on when I want to take advantage of this program. And with us revamping and kind of looking at really the ultimate goal of trying to save water and helping our customers through these rough experiences, we found that it would probably be a little bit more prudent and beneficial to allow our customers to use this on a more frequent basis than just a once in a lifetime.
And as the leaks flow, so does your money. So it's important to act fast on repairs. But we understand fixing leaks isn't cheap. The Water District also has a leak reimbursement program to encourage homeowners to repair leaks quickly.
The leak repair reimbursement program, we're super excited about it. We are the only water utility in the country that's offering a program like this. Leaks can be expensive, not only for the bill, but also to get them rectified. And we're going to take care of up to 50% of the leak costs, up to $1,000. There's a twofold benefit in this leak repair reimbursement program. One, time, right? And so the longer the leak runs, the more the resource that we lose. Couple that with the longer the leak runs, the higher your bill is. So we want to mitigate both of those, and this is what we're hoping to accomplish with this program.
All these programs work well if you're aware of the leak, but detecting leaks is often the hardest part. The Southern Nevada Water Authority offers a referral program aimed at helping customers find leaks.
Lastly, there's a program that the Southern Nevada Water Authority is offering with helping customers find their leaks. Sometimes you know you have a leak, but you don't know where to start. Our hope is that with this program, as you're referred to this program, that they can help you locate the leak that's causing your bill to rise.
For more information on all these programs, you can visit lvvwd.com.